And speak of the Prime Minister himself. During his UP visit yesterday, he's hailed India-made weapons that unleashed destruction on the enemy nation during Operation Sindoor. While addressing a rally in UP's Kanpur, the Prime Minister said that the world has seen the power of India's indigenous weapons, while once again warning Pakistan that Operation Sindoor wasn't over yet. The Prime Minister said that big companies in defense sector were coming to UP and pointed out that the production of AK-203 rifle has started in Amethi, as the Prime Minister made a specific mention of BrahMos missiles, while he said that it entered enemy territory and wreaked havoc completely.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में दुनिया ने भारत के स्वदेशी हथियारों और मेक इन इंडिया की ताकत भी देखी है। हमारे भारतीय हथियारों ने, ब्रह्मोस मिसाइल ने दुश्मन के घर में घुसकर तबाही मचाई। जहां टारगेट तय किया, वहां धमाके किए। ये ताकत हमें आत्मनिर्भर भारत के संकल्प से मिली है। मैं फिर कहना चाहता हूं, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के दौरान जो दुश्मन गिड़गिड़ा रहा था, वो किसी धोखे में न रहे। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है।
Now, the BrahMos missile strike is rather an admission that has also been made by the Pakistani Prime Minister. But speaking of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he also switched to Kanpur's local dialect to send out a direct warning to Pakistan. Here's what he said.
आतंक के आका और आतंकी सरपरस्त सरकार को भारत एक ही नजर से देखेगा। पाकिस्तान का स्टेट और नॉन स्टेट एक्टर, ये अब खेल चलने वाला नहीं है। अगर मैं सीधे सीधी कानपुरिया में कहूं, तो दुश्मन कहीं भी हो, हौंक दिया जाएगा।
Now, let's get you a little about those BrahMos missiles that gave sleepless nights to Pakistan. As far as the supersonic cruise missiles are concerned, it is developed by DRDO and Russia's NPO. As far as when it comes to the name and the origin, that has been derived from two rivers, which is India's Brahmaputra and Russia's Moskva. Now, the range is 290 kilometers of original and 500 kilometers of the extended version. And it can go up to 800 kilometers, which involves as far as the advanced version of the missile is concerned. So the speed is around Mach 2.8 to Mach 3.5, which is 3 times the speed of sound. And the first induction of the BrahMos missiles happened in the Indian Navy in the year 2005, in the Indian Army in 2007, and in the Indian Air Force in 2019 with Su-30 MKI aircraft. As far as Pakistan's Prime Minister is concerned, as I mentioned, has also admitted that BrahMos missile hit multiple areas of Pakistan while their Prime Minister was catching up on his beauty sleep.